pouring rain outside. Let's get into it. All right. This company reached out to me, Gravastar. They claimed they had something I needed to see. I clicked the link, right? One of the most mind-blowing, intimidating looking Bluetooth speakers that I've ever seen. Check this thing out. It looks like something right out of a sci-fi movie. It looks like it might have a laser blaster inside of it. It almost looks a bit scary, to be honest with you. Design with zinc alloy shell. There you go, a zinc alloy shell. It's got RGB lights in it, dynamic lighting effects. Apparently, if you get 2 of them, you can pair them together for true wireless stereo. So it comes in a few different color. We got the war damaged yellow. I opted to get it in the white because I thought the white looked really cool. Let's check out this YouTube video. Right from space. This thing's from another planet, you know? 2.5-inch full range dual speakers. Audiophile level algorithmic acoustics. Zinc alloy shell. Wow, this video's quite the product video. The drums. Get a little, did you see a little campfire shot in there? Wow, this product video. Hilarious, honestly. If the product is anything like this product video, it should be a good product. It should be an extremely... The thing looks like it's gonna crawl off the desk and attack you pretty much. All right, so thanks to Video Magic, we're gonna cut to the unboxing it now. Boom! Try that again. Oh, boom! Wow!
Wow, boys and girls, look what do we got today? Blasted me out of my seat.
No, let's... Straight from the future. These are the kind of boxes that I like to receive. How appropriate. It feels like it's in the right place. Straight from Marty McFly himself. I had no idea the box would look like this. It's got this metallic shine to it. Wow. They're really going for it with the packaging and the whole theme of things. Logo inside here. Holy bananas. The Gravastar Mars Pro sound from the future literally is what it says here on the bottom. I don't know if you can see that. This thing feels super high quality. I was not expecting that to have some weight to it. Very stable feeling. What else we got in here? Cable, booklet. All right, our Mars Gravastar Pro, hi-fi sound quality, long-lasting battery life, apparently 15 hours of battery life. I don't even know how to turn this thing on. Is this the button? No?
Ready to pair.
Oh my! Oh wow! That startled me a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. It's got the sound effects to go along with the whole experience. You guys seen that grill on the back? Man, it feels like it's gonna start crawling around. This is a first React. It's got a very thick sound to it, full body. Oh, okay, this is the volume on the top here. You guys see that? The LEDs are kind of like riding my finger there. See that jiggle? Got that jiggle? The classic go-to song. Okay, how do we make this thing change colors? You see the branding on the side. It does have some buttons on the top there. You can click. I do love the built-in voice. Bluetooth connected. It's got rubberized feet on the bottom. You can see all over it. It has these LED light features. Computer, turn off key light. Imagine if it had motorized legs. That's what they gotta make, Gravastar. Give the legs little motors so this thing can bounce up and down to the beat. All right, it's got the music reactivity mode as well. You can see it is actually flashing to the beat of the music. This thing is quite the showpiece. We've featured a few Bluetooth speakers on the channel. I do like to find the funkiest, most imaginative, most futuristic looking speakers I can, and boy oh boy, does this one ever certainly fit the bill. Turning it on, turning it off. Alrighty, so let's run this thing through some sound tests to see how it stacks up.
Bluetooth connected.
Alrighty, time to rate and give my final thoughts on the Mars Gravastar Pro Bluetooth speaker. For wow factor and imagination, yes, it is a quite appealing sci-fi futuristic design to it. If you're into that look, definitely something unique. It'll score a 16 out of 20. Moving into functionality, that is, how well does it do the thing it's intended to do? And in the case of a Bluetooth speaker, of course, with looking at the other things it achieves to do, like look cool and light up different colors and this and that. Overall, it does have good design, good materials, good sound, I would say, and the legs are actually quite nice with the rubberized feet to minimize vibrations and add a stable base to it. Overall, I'm gonna give it a 15 out of 20 for functionality and its sound quality. Very respectable score. There are better sounding products out there, but it does sound quite good. Moving into build quality. Now this is where this thing really shines, okay? It is very solid, has a really nice feel to it. It's got some good weight to it as well. Very well built product overall. I don't have many complaints. The touch function works pretty well. Maybe the buttons could have been a little bit bigger, but I do like that they are tactile click buttons. So not huge complaints. It's gonna score an 18 out of 20 for build quality. All right, moving into practicality and usability. So overall, this thing works pretty well, pretty practical to use, to bring around, you know, it can kind of compact itself with the legs here, and you can grab it in all these sorts of ways. Would be cool maybe if it was waterproof. That's probably asking for a bit much, Or perhaps there could be like a smart app to manipulate the EQ or the colors of the unit, something like that. You can get 2 of them apparently and pair them together for true wireless stereo, which I think is super cool. The battery life is quite good. I didn't find during my tests it even got low on battery once. I have yet to even charge it. So for practicality and usability, it will get a 17 out of 20. Okay, in the last category, value for money. So here's the thing, when you compare this as a Bluetooth speaker itself to other Bluetooth speakers available on the market, for the money, you can get a better sounding speaker system at this particular price point. And not that the sound is bad in any way. I did find the sound to be quite good, but for the premium price point you're paying, you can get better is what I'm getting at. You're paying a lot for the actual look and the high quality build of this product. So looks great, sounds great, would sound probably amazing if you had 2 of them as well, but now you're paying double the price. So overall value for money, it's gonna score a 13 out of 20. Bringing us to a total score of 79 out of 100. So I do think if you're into this type of look, this is a great product. If it's gonna fit your setup, by all means, this is definitely a great choice, a great well-built product that sounds great. It is novelty and is unique, but this is the Future Space Collective after all, where we explore the world of products for imagination. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you want to check out some other Bluetooth speakers we've done on the channel, I'm always searching for funky and futuristic looking audio products, audio video products. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and we'll see you in the next one. What'll it be?
It's an ocarina.